Want to fix iOS 26 Automix not working? Then let's get started. Start by heading over to the settings of a device. Inside settings, move into General and then iPhone Storage. In this page, in the search bar, search for Apple Music. Search as Music and then click on it. Now click on Offload App and once again tap on Offload App. It will clear all of the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. Well, the next thing you want to try doing is click on Delete App and then once again click on Delete. Once deleted, reinstall the application. Once reinstalled, move into App Store. Once you're in the App Store, in the search bar, search for Apple Music. And then head over to this app right here. Make sure that you are using the updated version of the app. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. That's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.